Hey guys, good morning. So we are all set for another trip. It's a very short one that we are going today. We'll come back tomorrow, but it's a rather adventurous one. We're going to JLR property, Riverton Lodge, which is located at Bhadra Wildlife Reserve. So we have started around 6:15. The map is showing 5 hours 35 minutes from now, so we should reach by 12, taking breaks probably by 12:30. We will see if we can stop somewhere. So yeah, that's all. We're excited for now. It's 6:30 a.m. almost 6:15-20 a.m. So hoping to reach there by 12. So we have crossed Bangalore now, and there are two ways to go towards the Bhadra Tiger Reserve. One is through the one that we are taking through Tumkur and Chitradurga, and the other one is, I think, is through that CR Patna, which was about 5 minutes faster. But we are taking this route because there's this dam we want to visit in between. That is why. Luckily we went in the morning, so traffic was okay to cross the Bangalore. It still took an hour, to be honest, but that's fine. Within an hour we were outside of Bangalore. So good cruising for now. We're looking for a good restaurant where we can stop for breakfast. We woke up very early in the morning, so we're already hungry. So we quickly see and stop for a breakfast. Weather too is quite good. It's a bit cloudy at this point, which we expected as it is monsoons, and I think it probably will rain at some point. So we'll enjoy the weather as well.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. So guys, we are done with our breakfast. It was a quick stop of 30 minutes. Had our regular dosa and idli, which was okay. And we are on our way. ET has increased by about 30 minutes, which is fine. We should be able to cover. So our plan is to stop after 2 hours. There is a dam in between. It's supposed to have very scenic views, so we'll stop there. The name is Vani Vilasa Sagra Dam. It shows 2 hours from here, almost 1 hour 50 minutes, and it's very near to Chitradurga, where we take left turn from there. So yeah, the next stop will be the dam. Okay, so we have crossed Sira, and the dam that we are going near Chitradurga is still around 50 minutes from here. I think we have made some good time in between. Roads have been pretty good. This is NH4, which connects to Pune. Pune-Bangalore highway. Pretty good roads. Lot of trucks, but otherwise decent highway. So yeah, and one thing we noticed, there was a very big factory of wildcraft in between, and we checked on Google. It was indeed in Sira. Pretty big factory. So yeah, that too was good.
हम अपने ETA से 20 मिनट लेट हो चुके हैं। बीच में हमें रोक दिया गया था। हमारे साथ साथ और भी गाड़ियाँ और बस फंसी हुई थी, शायद किसी VIP मूवमेंट है की वजह से वी आर लेट अबाउट 20 मिनट। हमारा डैम में पहुंचने का पहले का टाइम था ऑलमोस्ट 10 बज रहे थे। लुक एट दिस फेस। इट्स ओके, काम डाउन। ओके, तो हम आधे घंटे तक लेट है और यहाँ पे हमें फिर से ब्लॉक कर दिया है। ओह माय गॉड। तो आज मेरे को लग रहा है कि दिन खराब है, क्या है। तो फिर से यहाँ पे रोड ब्लॉक कर दी है। लग नहीं रहा है या तो डैम कर पाएंगे या तो टाइमली हम पहुँच पाएंगे।
Okay, so we have left NH4 now. From Hiriyur, we have to take a left turn. We have to leave that highway, and the highway was very good. We enjoyed driving there. Unfortunately, because of the VIP movement, we lost almost 30 minutes today. But other than that, it was a bliss driving on the highway, and we could easily maintain a speed of around 100 kilometers. So now we are on the countryside road. The first stop is, but this is the same road that goes towards Bhadra Tiger Reserve. Before that, we'll be stopping at the Vani Vilas Dam. So it is the same road. I think after 10 kilometers, we have to take a diversion towards left. Probably 5 more extra minutes there. We'll take less than 30 minutes to be sure, because we have to reach there by 1. And yeah, roads are okay. It's just a 2-lane road, undivided road. So we have to be careful driving here. That's about it. But the weather looks pretty good. Roads are nice, so yeah, we are enjoying our drive. Welcome to Vani Vilas Sagara Dam. So we have parked our vehicle there. You can bring your car right up to top. There was another entrance and then starting which we thought was the entrance, but then we checked and found out that we can bring a vehicle. So 2 kilometers right from there, and the place looks beautiful. Let's go and explore. The wind is very strong here. So the wind is super strong here. I am really not sure if you guys can hear me properly, but it's very strong. So that is a dam part there which people used to be allowed earlier. I've seen videos and photos of it. Unfortunately, it's been closed and it's not allowed to go there. I don't know if this is because of the monsoon or if this is permanent. But yeah, would have been good to go there and walk on that. And on the other side, maybe there is an entrance from other side as well, but that's okay, because this viewing area is still very good, and you can get some good pics and good views from here. So we'll go ahead and explore the remaining part there. We'll go down and see how is it, but good place to spend some time here, at least 25-30 minutes, and enjoy. Yeah, we can see you. This is the entrance part, which you can go there and walk, but we reconfirm that it's not allowed at this point. Guys, we are done with the place. A very good place to for a stopover where you can spend easily 30-40 minutes and enjoy the views. The breeze is very refreshing, and you can bring your car right up to here and just walk probably 50-100 meters and you can go and enjoy beautiful views. So if you are going towards Bhadra or maybe Chikmagaluru from this side, you can definitely make it a stop, mostly 10 minutes away from main road. So yeah, we'll quickly go now. It's 2 hours from here till our JLR property. We're quickly be moving. One last thing, the washrooms are here, but those are not maintained at all. Those are in very bad condition, probably because there is no entry fees to this place. That is the reason. Other than that, you have a small shop here for snacks and all. Abundance for parking available, so that is not an issue. we are about to reach now. I think 10 more minutes left, and it's almost 1 p.m. now, 12:50. Our plan was to reach by 12:30 to be honest, but because of the obstruction, which took almost 30 minutes, and visit to the dam took another some time, but that's okay. And overall road conditions have been very good. The highway till was pretty good. The place was Chitradurga, I suppose, and from there it was countryside road most of the time, which was good. The only road that was bad was near when we meet the road near Tarikere. 4 or 5 kilometers was bad, and it was a city, so lot of traffic there, very slow moving. Other than that, very scenic road, as you can see everywhere. We loved the drive. It was raining as well some time back, so we enjoyed that. So yeah, let's reach. And to add to it, I'm not sure if I informed earlier, I'm traveling in my Vento. It's 1.0 TSI, and pretty mileage has been pretty good. If you see, after some spirited driving on the highway, then traveling most of the times on the this countryside roads, mileage has been 18.2. I'm very impressed. So yeah, there's 10 more minutes. Let's go and reach. We are already hungry. We'll quickly have lunch once we reach, and then we'll see for the remaining plan. So guys, we have reached our log hut. So we have got a room on this side of the island. So if you see there are rooms which are on the other side of the islands as well. So good thing about this side is that you have your Golghar here only, where you get all the meals. So that will be an easier walk, and we can anytime go to explore any part, so that's okay. So ours is the room number 7, and looks great. And let me show it to you. So this is the storage area that we have as they enter. Couple of umbrellas because we are going to need it. Again, more storage place. On left we have the washroom, and this is the room. Pretty good. We have a working AC connection, though we don't need it because it's already very airy. Pretty good bed, and 3 people can stay here. Electric kettle, place to sit inside, RO water they said. And the best part, the balcony. You have 2 chairs, so as you can soak in the views and check out the views. How beautiful they look. So tomorrow morning we'll be going for water safari as well here in this Bhadra Dam, and along with it they have provided us this schedule that lunch time is almost there, 1:30, and then they've asked us to be there by 3:30 p.m. for safari, which starts at around 3:45. We'll come back for snacks and then dinner at 8:30. They also have some small film show at 7:30. Morning is a bit early. You have to wake up at 5:30. There'll be tea, coffee, and then we go for water safari, boat safari, which is at 6:30 p.m. You come back, we'll have breakfast, and then there's some option for water sports as well. We'll see as the weather permits. We'll probably do kayaking or something. We'll see tomorrow morning. Till then, we'll sit back and just relax it. And one more thing, the other side that we see are the cottages. The one that we have is the log hut. We checked with them. They said there's almost same view, exactly the same. Cottages might be slightly different, I may or may not, but everything remains the same, just that they are on the other side of the island, on a different island actually. So let's just enjoy here. And we have couple of other guests here as well. Yeah, quite many. There's one in room as well. What? Okay. This one has come here. It's okay. We'll drive them out. So this is all part of the experience.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. So we had a very hearty lunch. Please make a good one. No. Tuna matlab mujhe. Sweet one, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
अब इसको रैप कैसे करते हैं?
Thank you. Oh, wonderful pan. Now we'll go and explore the place. We'll not give you a quick tour of the resort. So the place is called the Riverton Resort. I saw you, they were recording the sightings as well. They record each day. Unfortunately, since the rain started, they haven't had any sightings of leopard or tiger as such. But they said a lot of elephants and wild bears, and we'll see, you know, what all we can see. But for a week, no sightings of tigers or leopard. So once we come from the reception area, we have to walk, and from left we can see. Once you go on top, we'll see the other cottages start from there. So as we move up, we see cottages start from here, and most of the cottages will all have the same view, which is beautiful. Moving forward, right hand we have this Golghar. So all the meals are served there. I already showed you earlier, and that is our room, our cottage actually, which looks wonderful. So moving further, rooms are on the other side, remaining ones. So I think there should be a bridge here which connects the other part of the island, the other island actually. So this is the bridge which connects the other part of the island, and that is the dam that we can see. The weather has changed suddenly and it has started to rain a bit. Looks wonderful. And then there are cottages on the other side. So the weather turned really bad at the bridge, and we rushed to our room and decided to chill here for some time. The views as usual are really good. So it's 3:45 PM now, and after having a quick tea break at the reception, we have left for the safari. So the main gates of Bhadra Tiger Reserves are around 15 minutes from now. Roads as usual are bad, these are jungle roads, but that's okay. So we now reach the main gate of Bhadra Tiger Reserve. The first step is for the driver to the entry on the gate. There are also some instructions mentioned on both the sides that you need to wear mute colors, so as you know, you don't shine much and the colors mix with the nature. So And also what they did was they removed the cover on top of the windshield so as we can get a better view. So here we go, super excited. This is our second safari that we are going to. The first one is in Corbett Natural Park and this is the second one. We soon reach our first water body of the park. So this will be the place in summers where there will be most chances where you can see wildlife. So soon we saw that the jeep in front of us was already stopped and probably had some sightings. So we checked, we found there was an owl, a big one on the tree, and we were able to get some good pics of the same. So it has unfortunately started to rain really heavily now and further reduces our chances of sighting, but we are really hopeful and hoping that this should subside in some time. So after around 15 minutes the rain has stopped and the sun is also somewhat out, and we actually have our first sightings now. A big herd of deers we can see. It was from a far distance, but we were able to get a good view. They were all running and enjoying. I think this is the backwaters area and we will be going there further, but this was a big herd and we loved seeing them. Soon we have a second sighting. This is gaur, also called as Indian bison, I suppose, and they're supposed to be very heavy, about 1 ton, and the ones in Bhadra can weight up to 1.3 tons. So it's great seeing the majestic creatures. The greenery at this point was really terrific. The jungle looked really green and wonderful. One downside is you get less sightings, but the greenery is really good. Bhadra Tiger Reserve has over 450 elephants and we were lucky to spot 2 of them. Though we could not record much, but we could see them. We then saw one lone barking deer. So these are the kind of deer that somewhat bark like a dog when they see a predator. So would have been exciting. There were some sightings. So we again saw a huge herd of deers just grazing and enjoying around, and as far as we saw, we could see them. They were in huge number here. So we are again in this open area. So the fact is that this area is supposed to be backwaters. When it rains a lot, probably in our next 2 months, this will be all covered in water. And our guide said that our boat safari comes till this place. So I can only imagine how huge the area would become, the reservoir area. And at this point of time, it was very green and was a playing ground for the deers. So Bhadra Tiger Reserve has around 40 tigers and more than 60 leopards. Unfortunately, we did not get to see them, and but instead, we got to see a lot of deers and other wildlife. The thing is, whenever you go on a wildlife safari, The intent should always be to enjoy the jungle. There is no confirmation of that you will get to see the wildlife more or less, but jungles are in itself really beautiful. And as this safari comes to an end, we can say that we really enjoyed it. It was around 2 to 2.5 hours, and we had good enough sightings. The jungle looked beautiful, and for us it was a wonderful experience. So after we were dropped back at the resort and having tea and snacks, we are back to this point where we came in earlier on this bridge, and weather became really bad. Now the weather looks much more calmer, though the lights are on. It's around 7:30 in the evening now, almost, or 7:15, and it looks really beautiful. So luckily it's not raining and we are able to enjoy this bonfire. Earlier there was also a movie show regarding Bhadra Wildlife Sanctuary, which was very good. It was about 30 minutes and we enjoyed it inside. So it's almost 8 p.m. now and it's time for the dinner. So we'll quickly have a dinner and call it a day. So the food in general was really good. It was a good spread and we really enjoyed it. So I think we'll end our vlog for the day 1 here, and you'll see the remaining in day 2, in which tomorrow morning we are going for a boat safari, and then we are going to Chikmagalur later to enjoy another waterfall. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our vlog, and thanks for watching.